Proctor Valley meet. We're at the most haunted road in California. I had to come back here since you mentioned it in the comments, Javi Wasabi. You know the line. Needs a lift kit. The Proctor Valley meet was last week. I met a couple of you for the first time. This was my second time hanging out with Arthur. I've been talking to Javi Wasabi for like a year on Instagram. He told me he has a WRX that he never drives. And I asked him, I said, "You're 40, aren't you?" And he said, 38. I said, 38 years old, close to 40. You have a WRX that you don't drive, and now you're more into lifted vans now, aren't you? What do you do at a lifted van meet? We talk about vans, and we say, "What bed do you got in your van, man? What's your setup look like?" This is the inside of Javi Wasabi's van. His bed is taking up most of the van. Looks like a comfortable bed though. He told me he does sleep well in here.
And they're nice and
Arthur's running the Vantage optic lights.
they're worth it. Oh, definitely.
You heard him in the back. He said they're worth it.
Yeah, we want to see how your Vantage optic.
There you go. Here's Arthur's van. Simple inside. He said he uses an air mattress back here. Yo, Javier, isn't it true that a lot of us cheap out on freaking lighting? Not this guy. I got the LED bulbs. They don't work that well. I gotta roll off-road lights when I'm in the middle of nowhere. Raptor grills on the older and newer body style.
Gotcha.
I brought a dozen of these to the meet. Only bought 3 today. This is for myself. Javi Wasabi had to mention it in the comments, so I said, man, now I want some. Proctor Valley was a casual meet up with my San Diego friends, hang out for a couple of hours. Dylan pulled up at the meetup spot. He rolled in, never seen him before. So I was just like, "You here for the meet, man?" Never seen him before. In the YouTube comment section, never got a message from him on Instagram. So he saw a couple of my videos about the Proctor Valley meet. So it's cool when we get a surprise participant. November is going to be the big one. I will pin it in the comment section when the November meet is, where the meetup spot is. So those are the days to ask off from work, maybe ask to get a Friday and a Monday off. It's gonna be Saturday and Sunday. We're camping out. Love that lifted van view. You're even looking over full-size pickups. If Hello Kitty drove a van, it would be this. Life is good. I agree. It'll be better if you had a lift kit. Call Larry. Park next to Big Boy. Needs a lift kit. Larry could lift old body style Econoline, so give Action Van a call. Golden House. If you're in San Diego and want some good Chinese food, go to Golden House. Are you into your van more than you're into your performance car or off-road vehicle? Let me know in the comment section. Minivan life.